Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to do a simple and easy hair growth oil method. This is something that I have been using over the years and it definitely has helped me out a lot. These are some of the things that I use, and I use avocado oil, castor oil, shea butter, coconut oil, organ oil, and I got some of these stuffs from Jay's Warehouse Craft Supply. She's on Instagram. I can definitely go ahead and have her link left below in the description. I also got the other supplies from Amazon. Here are the benefits on the screen, and here we go. This is the unrefined coconut oil. This is the one that I got from Amazon. This is the 54 ounce. So what we want to do first is take the shea butter and put it in a container. This is a measuring container that I use. I measure about 10 milliliter. Depending on how much oil you are making, you can put more or you can put less. I have a very small container, so this is the amount that I'm going to use in this video, but you can use more if you want. Also, this shea butter does have a lot of different benefits. You can use it on your hair and also on your skin. I then went ahead and microwave for a minute. This is how it came out. As I said, you can actually use more or use less. I use this coconut oil. I store this one in my fridge. That is why it does have this hard texture. I use my coconut oil for basically everything. I use it to cook, I use it on my skin, and I use it on my hair, because as you can see, this is a lot. I got it about a year ago, so it's almost finished. Can't wait to buy another one. It's really good. I have been using it, especially you can use it for deep conditioning your hair. Really good. I microwaved it for a minute, and then this is how it came out. What you see now is what was left. This is about 10 milliliter of the coconut oil, but you can definitely put more if you're gonna use a bigger container, as I mentioned before. I use this 7-ounce cup, plastic cup, to mix everything together. I use 2 cartful of the avocado oil, and I will pour everything together now. Once I use that, I'll just mix the shea butter, the organ oil, the castor oil, and the avocado oil together, and yeah, that's it. So once you're through, you're gonna combine all the ingredients together. Now I'm adding in the castor oil, and once I'm finished, I'll be adding all the other oils and into this. Actually, it's surprising that it's not, you would think that it's a lot of different oils, you will get a weird smell, but it actually smells good. But if you don't like the scent of the oils, you can add your essential oils, where it will give you a different scent if you don't like this one. But it's okay for me. I have no problem with it, so this is what I use. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and comment down below. Tell me if you have tried this and if you are planning to. Also, remember to check out Jay's Warehouse. They're on Instagram. She is actually located in Montego Bay, but she does do shipping, and you can get yours sent to you. And she also sells many different other raw materials. So if you want to start a small business, she has what you will need. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Tell someone to go watch my video. Share it with your mom, your cousin, your sister, your brother, everyone. I mean everyone, because this is not only for girls, it's also for boys. Okay, so I have the container now. I have this container for more than 4 years. I have been putting my oils in it, and I'll just go ahead and throw the oil in it, and that's it. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.